Do you ever just grab your phone and suddenly 1 hour has passed? Does that happen with you? Do you want to reclaim back that time, that peace in just 24 hours? Hi everyone, I am Gurleen. I am from Key to Happiness. I am a life coach and emotional hygiene enthusiast. I love building better habits for all of you. Today, let's talk about social media, digital detox. I will guide you to a 24-hour digital detox. Very easy, anybody can do it, and you can reclaim that time, that peace, and that dependency which you think you have on social media for feeling relaxed, but you don't. You are capable to feel relaxed all by yourself, even without your mobile phone. No phone for the first 1 hour after waking up. Maybe stretch a little, go in the sunlight, drink few glasses of water, be grateful. कुछ भी करो, बस phone नहीं देखना. Alright, so that is not happening in the first 1 hour of waking up. Digital sunrise. Write at least 3 intentions for the day before you see those messages. Tech-free meals. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. No meal can be with a screen. You have to eat or maybe talk to people sitting next to you, but no screens. No screen time while eating foods. Okay, that helps you be less distracted and focus more on what you're eating and help build, bring in those nutrients inside you also. The more you focus on what you're eating and the right intentions when you put into it, you bring in great intentions inside your body instead of mindlessly eating and scrolling on social media. This is a habit that you should start now. App-free blocks in the day. So whatever it is, that one app that you use a lot, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, whatever it is that you're using the most, 24 hours, stay without it. Just delete it and redo it, log out or put a disable, whatever it is that you can do. 24 hours is mandatory in a week, I think. That much we can do. Offline hobbies. Develop hobbies wherein your eyes are at rest and you do not have to use screens. Could be anything, something in the nature, something out, a sport, walk, reading, dancing, whatever it is, something offline. Let's go back to how we were a few decades ago. That time when going out was the only pastime and chill time, and no screens and playing video games and Instagram, and when all of that was not so much in our lives. That time should be somewhere relived by adapting to one offline hobby. Digital sunset. So before sleeping, 1 hour before that, phones should be off, turned somewhere else, preferably not in your surroundings. Do something more relaxing so that you have better quality of sleep. A little meditation, listen to some guided meditations, some breathing exercises, spending quality times with your loved ones, doing whatever, but no phone for last 1 hour. Gratitude journal. Write 3 non-digital joys of your day. Every day do this. Sleep without devices, no blue rays, no blue lights around you. It helps improve the quality of your sleep. You can get a better, deeper sleep. A digital detox does not mean you have to abandon technology. It just means you have to take back the control and you have to be the one deciding if you want to, spend time on the technology and the social media, or you wish to do something else. The control should be in your hands and you should not be just so much influenced, and mindlessly scrolling should be highly avoided. So just doing a couple of these habits 24 hours can help you feel better and regain that control over your time. See you in the next video. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next.